Yeah, it's a link. What? Yeah, hey, look, now I'm sipping lean on the rocks, high key on the block. Like, I don't rock with you because your team full of cops. Not the type of nigga that be beefing a lot. Trust me, no, I'm not. Yeah, tryna with a new excursion. You don't know me, better learn it. Wanna text back, now I gotta earn it. Only by
We're waiting here at the lobby. We already signed everything. We're just waiting. Look at that fit though. Okay, okay. Do it. So good. After golfing, I'm getting strawberry shortcake, probably iced oatmeal, and the chocolate one over there. And they're getting strawberry lemonade. Is it good? And of course the pineapple Dole Whip. They always get that. And that one too. Fruity.
I'm a fruit guy, I'm sorry.
I could tell.
I like fruit.
It's fine. I always get the brownies. What's yours? Skittles? Oh, it's not Skittles. I just paid 30 bucks for the parking here at Outlet because there's an event, like a concert at the stadium, which is near the Outlet, and it's for Lucombe, so we had to pay 30 bucks for the parking, and it's like free. Parking is free. I'm like, what the heck? I got scammed. Okay, I like this shirt. I mean, it's kind of cute. So I'm thinking about this. It's on sale right now. I tried this on and it's not my size, so no. I found this and it matches me. If it matches what I'm wearing right now, it's funny. So I've been looking for gym shoes and I kind of like this one. Oh my god, those are so cute. It's just so cute. It's a frog with watermelon. There's a bunch of them. There's a lot. There's so cute. There's like the banana. I'll probably get this one and I mean this one, like one of these, because they smell so good. Okay, I'm going crazy over here at Bath and Body Works. For sure though. For sure. For sure. For sure, for sure. I'm not getting everything. I'm getting. So let's go check out. We got our stuff. Just getting that one, the blueberry one.